Welcome to a look at a real full shift from start to finish, illustrating a day in the life of a professional forklift driver. The day begins at 6 a.m. with arrival. The driver clocks in, gears up, and mentally prepares for the shift ahead. Safety is paramount. The driver puts on essential personal protective equipment, or PPE, including a high-visibility vest, steel-toe boots, protective gloves, and a hard hat to guard against hazards. Next is the team briefing. This covers daily targets, like the number of pallets to move and orders to fulfill. It also includes warehouse updates and critical safety reminders, such as speed limits and emergency procedures. Before starting, a critical pre-shift inspection of the forklift is performed. This check ensures the tires, forks, brakes, hydraulics, and battery are all in perfect working order for safety and efficiency. It's time to power on the machine. As the system boots up and a self-check routine initializes, the driver prepares to take control, starting a day of skilled labor. The first pickup of the day establishes the rhythm, lift, balance, and deliver. The driver scans the pallet to confirm its ID, ensuring accuracy from the very first move. Narrow aisles demand absolute precision. The driver maintains sharp focus, confirming aisle clearance, steering angle, and load stability to safely navigate the tight spaces. High rack placement requires accuracy to prevent inventory collapse. The driver performs critical checkpoints: reach, align, confirm, and place the pallet in the target slot, aiming for a high placement success rate. Every pallet movement is recorded and validated through scanning. This crucial log provides real-time visibility, ensuring the warehouse management system, or WMS, is constantly updated with location and status. By mid-morning, the warehouse accelerates. More orders and pallets move with dynamic, coordinated activity, speeding up the pace of the shift. The process shifts to stack and sort. Organized staging, often using color-coded floor areas, brings order to scattered inventory. This structured approach prevents traffic jams and ensures efficient loading. A quick break provides a necessary moment to recharge while remaining work-ready. Responsible breaks ensure continued focus on team safety for the rest of the shift. After the break, it's back to work. The driver recharges and refocuses for the mid-morning shift resume, ready to keep moving as the aisles are open and the machine waits. A critical task in the second part of the shift is unloading inbound shipments. The driver unloads the trailer, verifying the count and checking for any damage before routing the new stock for storage. Dock flow is a coordinated rhythm of movement. Dockyard wayfinding helps manage inbound and outbound staging for smooth truck parking and active dock bay operation. A blocked aisle demands an instant, quick decision. Drivers perform a rerouting impact and risk assessment to maintain safety and prevent damage or injury. Maintaining a safe and efficient floor sometimes means stepping off the forklift. This includes clearing debris, straightening pallet edges, and moving loose shrink wrap to prevent accidents. Achieving full flow means everything runs like clockwork. This includes coworker anticipation, a synchronized system, and confident handling, leading to peak efficiency. Midday to afternoon brings a shift in the warehouse energy. Drivers adjust to the brighter light and maintain a steady, focused pace as operations continue seamlessly. The afternoon involves cycle counting, a proactive approach to inventory management. It involves counting a small, specific segment of inventory to ensure WMS accuracy and prevent stock discrepancies. A common task is cross-docking, moving shipments from an inbound truck directly to an outbound truck. This bypasses long-term storage and requires speed and precision to meet tight deadlines. Effective communication is essential, especially during busy loading and unloading. Clear signals and radio contact with coworkers prevent breakdowns in workflow and ensure safety. The mid-afternoon break is a final chance to pause before the evening push. Drivers prioritize hydration, stretching, and refueling to maintain sharp focus for the last part of the shift. As the shift concludes, drivers engage in the final tasks, often involving organization and preparing the warehouse for the next day. This includes consolidating inventory and clearing staging areas. The final stage is the end-of-shift shutdown. The driver returns the forklift to the charging station, ensuring the battery is connected for the overnight charge, ready for the next shift. A final check of the machine is performed. This post-shift inspection notes any damage or maintenance needs, ensuring the equipment remains safe and reliable for future use. With the work complete, the driver securely stores their PPE. A final clockout marks the official end of the shift, concluding a day of demanding but rewarding work. The final daily report provides a summary of performance, including metrics like pallets moved, tasks completed, and any maintenance issues reported. This contributes to overall operational visibility. From first pickup to final shutdown, a forklift driver's day requires skill, focus, and dedication. Thank you for joining this look at the vital role these professionals play in global logistics.